So we've seen three possible harmonies. We've seen three possible harmonies or versions of our different endings, no? If we look at the I'm ending, we've seen im, and Or we've seen sin, sun, and sun. So now we can see the fourth and last possible harmony we could have in this set. Just as we have an I with and without a dot, we also have a U with or without dots. In this case, two dots, two little dots above the U. So the one we saw so far was the U without the dots in sun, like in bosh sun. This is the U without the dots. The U with the dots is pronounced a little bit like the vowel in cute, mute. U, U. Good. So you can think of cute, and then you can take that Q, The other way you can think about it is you can think that you would get your mouth in the position of a U. So imagine you're about to pronounce a U. Like the U we saw before, the normal standard U with no dots, U. And then, without moving your lips, leaving them where they were for this U, you try to make an E, like an E from elephant, without moving the lips. So we can start with U, starting with U and making sure we're keeping our lips in that position, and then we think of this E of elephant. U, and then we get our U with dots. So this is another way you can think about it, but you must do it slowly, to practice the sound. So you get your lips in the position of U. Make an U. Keeping your lips in that position, you think of an E and you produce an E, but keeping your lips where they were for the U. So U, and that's close enough. No, that's close enough, and you will hear it, and the more you hear it, the more you will assimilate it. Which means that we've covered our four-way harmony. This is as complicated as it gets. This is as complicated as vowel harmony gets. So let's run through our endings with some words. You are not. Dilsin. How are you? Nasılsın. And you noticed that your ending there was so much better. You see how psychological it is? I mean, now we are focused on a more challenging sound, and this one comes out like nothing. Nasılsın. We see it's mostly the idea that sounds are difficult, which is what makes them difficult. How is you are free?
Boşsun.
Boşsun. The sh is maybe making that S a little bit confusing. So think about them separately. It's all one word, but you can think about it separately still. Boşsun. So let's find somewhere where we will use this U with the dots, which means we get to learn a new verb. Görmek. Görmek means to see. Görmek. And here actually we learn another vowel in Turkish. Görmek is spelled G-O with two dots above the O, R-M-E-K. This is the last vowel we have to learn in Turkish. The last one. The vowel here is exactly like the vowel we have in English, bird, first. Again, it's like the U in the sense that you put your mouth in the position of an O, and then you make an E. It's much easier just to look at bird and first and to import the sound, görmek, and you will get a perfect one. It's very close.
Görmek.
Good. Görmek, to see. I want to see you. How would you say that? I want to see you.
Seni.
Very good. That's the U you need, no? The U in the position of I see you rather than you see. Not sen, but seni. Perfect.
Seni görmek istiyorum.
Good. Seni görmek istiyorum. Now, if you want to say I see you, we will have to employ this U with the two dots on it. That is the closest sound to the O with the two dots on it. No? So let's try that. Slowly. I see you.
Seni.
You can build it very slowly and take syllable by syllable.
Gör.
Good. And now we need ior, but harmonized. So the U with dots is closest to the O with dots of gör. So for this one, we can put our lips in the position of U, and then try to make an E, and we will get U, U, Görü, görü.
U, I.
But your lips moved a lot there, didn't
Yeah.
they?
U, I.
Ah, much better. Much better. And then you try putting them together. So the O with the dots on top is easy because it's very, very close to the sound we have in bird. No? G. But the U with the dots on the top is a little more challenging. So G, G, R, G, R. And then that's the hard bit. The rest is easy.
Görüyor.
Seni görüyorum. How would you say we see you? We see you.
Seni görüyoruz.
Seni görüyoruz. Why do you want to see us tonight? Why do you want to see us tonight? So we have a longer sentence here. We just want to think about what's going to go first. Then we say it, we get it out the way, and then we think about the next bit. Why do you want to see us tonight?
Bu akşam bizi neden görmek istiyorsun?
Very good. Bu akşam bizi neden görmek istiyorsun? So here, actually, we are emphasizing the neden. Why exactly do you want to see us tonight? But we could have equally have emphasized the tonight. Why do you want to see us tonight? In which case, it would have been bizi neden bu akşam görmek istiyorsun? Or the standard order without emphasizing anything necessarily. Bu akşam neden bizi görmek istiyorsun?